Look closely at this cosmic island, a swirling metropolis of 400 billion stars, countless planets, and a supermassive black hole anchoring it all. This is the Milky Way, our home. For the entirety of human history, we have treated this galaxy as a fixed, eternal fortress. A permanent sanctuary in an empty universe. But we were wrong. Right now, as you sit watching this, our entire galaxy, and everything inside it, including the planet you are standing on, is screaming through the dark void of space at an unthinkable speed. We are not static, we are on a journey, and today, we are going to travel to its terrifying, inevitable end. To comprehend where we are going, we must first understand the cosmic ship we are traveling on. The Milky Way is colossal, spanning over 100,000 light-years across. If you could travel at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers every single second, it would still take you 100,000 years just to cross from one edge to the other. Inside this monstrous structure, our solar system sits in a quiet, suburban neighborhood. We orbit the galactic center at a staggering 828,000 kilometers per hour. Yet, even at this blistering speed, it takes our Sun 230 million years just to complete one single journey around the galaxy. At the absolute heart of our galaxy lies Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole packed with a mass of 4 million suns. Its immense gravity holds the inner galaxy in a relentless death grip. For over 13 billion years, this system has maintained a delicate, beautiful balance. Stars are born in clouds of gas, they live for billions of years, they die in brilliant supernova explosions, and the galaxy keeps spinning. It feels safe, it feels permanent, but if we zoom out even further, past the glowing spiral arms, past the magnetic halo, and out into the terrifyingly vast intergalactic void, a horrifying reality becomes clear. The Milky Way is not the master of its own destiny. Our galaxy is being hunted. It is being pulled by invisible forces across the cosmic ocean. Something out there in the dark is tugging on the Milky Way with the force of trillions of suns. We are drifting, flying, and falling toward a specific point in space. The cosmic clock is ticking, and the ultimate doom of our galaxy has already been set in motion. Meet our neighbor and our executioner, the Andromeda galaxy. Right now, Andromeda is 2.5 million light-years away. To human senses, that distance is an unimaginable abyss. But on a cosmic scale, Andromeda is right next door. And it is coming straight for us. Andromeda is packed with over 1 trillion stars. To human senses, that distance is an unimaginable abyss. But on a cosmic scale, Andromeda is right next door. And it is coming straight for us. Andromeda is packed with over 1 trillion stars, dwarf galaxies, and a central black hole that dwarfs our own. It is rushing toward the Milky Way at a speed of 400,000 kilometers per hour. What happens when these two titans meet? If humans are still alive in 4 billion years, the night sky will look like a scene from a cosmic nightmare. Andromeda will grow so large that it will swallow the horizon. The gravity of both galaxies will begin to rip each other's outer arms apart. Contrary to what you might think, actual star-on-star collisions will be incredibly rare because the distance between individual stars is too vast. If our Sun were the size of a ping-pong ball, the nearest star would be thousands of kilometers away. Stars will pass right through each other like ghosts. But the gravitational chaos will be absolute devastation. The solar system will likely be kicked out. Our Sun could be hurled into the lonely, freezing outskirts of the newly forming galaxy. Or worse, we could be pulled directly into the chaotic firing line of the central core. Gas clouds will smash into one another, compressing matter and igniting a ferocious, unprecedented wave of star birth. The sky will bleed with the bright light of millions of newborn, volatile stars. Around 6 billion years from now, the dust will finally settle. The beautiful, majestic spiral shapes of the Milky Way and Andromeda will be permanently destroyed. In their place will stand a singular, giant, chaotic, elliptical mega-galaxy. Scientists have already given this future graveyard a name, Milkdromeda. At the heart of Milkdromeda, a terrifying event will take place. The supermassive black holes of both galaxies will sink to the center. For millions of years, they will engage in an orbital death spiral, shaking the literal fabric of space-time with massive gravitational waves. Eventually, they will collide and merge into a singular, incomprehensible gravitational monster. This super black hole will reign over a dead galaxy. Because all the gas clouds were used up or blown away during the violent collision, Milkdromeda will lose the ability to create new stars. It will become a cosmic retirement home, populated only by aging, dying red dwarf stars slowly fading into the darkness. You might think that the birth of Milkdromeda is the end of the story. But it is only a chapter. Even as our new mega-galaxy settles, it is still moving. The Milky Way, Andromeda, and our entire neighborhood of dozens of galaxies, known as the local group, are being dragged across space. We are falling toward a mysterious, terrifying anomaly located 200 million light-years away. An anomaly known to astronomers simply as the Great Attractor. The Great Attractor is a localized superpower of gravity so immense that it defies imagination. It sits in the direction of the Centaurus constellation, hidden from our view by the thick, dusty plane of our own galaxy's disk, a region scientists call the zone of avoidance. Because we cannot see it directly, it remains one of the greatest mysteries in modern science. It possesses the mass of tens of thousands of Milky Ways combined. It is pulling thousands of galaxies, spanning across hundreds of millions of light-years, toward its center. Milkdromeda is on a direct, unalterable flight path into this cosmic trap. But here is the ultimate twist of our universe. Will the Milky Way actually reach the Great Attractor? Will we ever arrive at our final destination? The answer is a haunting, beautiful paradox. No, we will never get there. Even as gravity tries to drag us toward the Great Attractor, an even more powerful force is tearing the universe apart. Dark energy. Dark energy is causing the fabric of space to expand at an accelerating rate. While gravity tries to pull galaxies together locally, dark energy wins on the grand scale. Eventually, the space between our local mega-galaxy and the rest of the universe will expand so fast that the light from other galaxies will never reach us. The Great Attractor will be ripped away from our reach forever. Milkdromeda will be left completely, utterly alone in an expanding, infinite void of blackness. Trillions of years from now, the last stars of our merged galaxy will burn through their final bits of fuel. They will go cold, turning into black dwarfs. The black holes will slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation. The universe will become cold, dark, and perfectly still. The final destination of the Milky Way, and everything inside it, is not a place of violent impact. It is a destination of absolute silence. An eternal, frozen dark,